Hey there, welcome to Dragon Mathematics. I'm Dragon. My real name's Chris. The point of this channel is to talk about some concepts like trigonometry, pre-calc, calculus 1, 2, 3, differential equations, physics 1, 2, 3, electricity and magnetism, mathematical methods in physics. But go into the types of things that I found in lecture and in homework when I was taking these courses, which had some parts I think were left out that weren't spoken about. Sort of, it's like a tips and tricks channel, tips and tricks videos that actually have the lecture in there as well. So I mean for it to be supplemental to what your professor is giving you, but I'm also just going to go through it as if I was a professor, if I were a professor. Uh, and there's just going to be asides in there where I go off on a tangent. And as I'm working through the concepts, as I'm solving the problems, when I remember a piece of information that I later realized or didn't hear about in the actual class, but maybe heard about from other students or figured out on my own, I'm going to add that little bit of information because there's just so many times when the lecture was not enough. It was too dry. And I feel like after I left the class, I would always say that a semester or two later is when there's some concepts really crystallized, and I was just like, why didn't we say this? Like, you'll always hear the phrase, when am I going to use this, or why is this important? And that's the exact thing that I want to touch on and talk about is why is it important? When you're told, when you see this in a problem or when you see this in your homework, do this action. I want to say, well, why are we doing that? It's because it's a logical reason. It's informative and it can feel more intuitive. So I'm starting out with trig and we'll see where it goes. But yes, the whole point of this is to be a lecture series that's going to include those types of tips and tricks and things that I wish someone told me along the way. And again, explaining why we're doing the thing we're doing each step along the way. So I hope you get something out of it. If you do, let me know. Let me know what I do right and what I do wrong. The point of this is that when I was taking these courses, I wish that I had the me now that I am sort of over my shoulders giving me these kind of hints. So yeah, if you get something out of it, let me know, and best of luck on all your exams and whatnot. See you later.